Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to this episode of chemistry class. In this video, we'll be getting the exercise question answers of chapter number 4, that is atomic structure. The first question, choose the correct option. The mass number of an atom is dash. The correct answer is the option number D, that is the mass of the nucleus. Second one, the outermost electronic level of an atom is called the dash. The correct option is the third one, that is the valence shell. Third one, if the mass number of an atom is 31 and the atomic number is 15, the number of neutrons is the option number C, that is 16 is correct one. Since we know that the number of neutrons present is the subtraction value of the atomic number from the mass number. Now the fourth one, if the atomic number of an element is 13, its electronic configuration is dash. The option number C, that is 2, 8, 3 is the correct one. Now the fifth one, if the number of valence electrons in an atom is 7, its valency will be dash. Its valence will be 1. Now give one word for the following. The first question, the basic unit of matter. It is called as an atom. Second one, the mass of the atom is concentrated here. The answer is nucleus. Third one, the path of an electron inside an atom. The answer is cells. Fourth one, the combining capacity of an element is called as the valency. Fifth one, a neutral subatomic particle with unit mass. The answer is neutron. Sixth one, atoms with different numbers of neutrons and the same number of protons. The answer is isotopes. Now, say if the statements are true or false. Number 1, there are 181 elements in the periodic table. This statement is false. The correct statement is there are 118 elements in the periodic table. Second one, electrons and protons contribute to the mass of an atom. This statement is false. The correct statement is the neutrons and protons contribute to the mass of an atom. Now the third one, only metals exhibit variable valency. This statement is false. Metals, the correct statement is the metals as well as some non-metals exhibit variable valency. Now the fourth one, in the periodic table, elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass. This statement is false. The correct statement is in the periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. Now the fifth one, the number of electrons and electronic level can accommodate is fixed. This statement is fully correct, true statement. Now the sixth one, hydrogen chloride is formed by transfer of electrons from hydrogen to chlorine. This is false. The correct statement is hydrogen chloride is formed by the sharing of electrons between hydrogen and chlorine. Now match the words in the two columns, column A and column B. Now the first number of column A, that is Rutherford, matches with the second option of column B, that is Rutherford gold foil experiment. Next, Niels Bohr, fixed orbits. Democritus, theory of the universe. Thomson, cathode ray tube. Millikan, charge of an electron. Now define the terms. Atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. Second one, atomic mass. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called as atomic mass or atomic weight. That is also called as the mass number. Next, isotope. Atoms of the same element with different number of neutrons but the same number of protons are called isotopes. Next, valency. It is the number of hydrogen atoms that can combine with or replace one atom of the element. Next, short answer questions. The first one. The question is given like this. What are fundamental particles? Where are they found? Give the mass and the charge of each to the nearest whole number. The answer is electrons, protons, and neutrons are fundamental particles. They are found in an atom. Electron has negligible mass and a unit negative charge. The mass of a proton and a neutron are equal. That is unit mass. Proton is positively charged and neutron has no charge. The second question. Complete the following table. A. Symbol. B. Element name. C. Atomic number. D. Number of protons. E. Number of electrons. F. Number of neutrons. And Z. Mass number. The answers are like this. In the first row, Li, lithium 33347. Second row, C, carbon 6666, then 12. Third row, Na, sodium 11 11 11, 12, then 23. Then the fourth row, S, sulfur 16 16 16 16, then 32. And the last one, that is Ar, argon 18 18 18 22, then 40. Now the third question goes like this. What are the different levels that electrons occupy within an atom called? How many electrons can each level hold? The different levels electron occupy within an atom is called cells or energy levels. They can hold 2, 8, 18, 32 electrons respectively from the first cell from the nucleus. Now the fourth question. From the periodic table, how will you find out the atomic number and mass number of an element? The left side subscript represents the atomic number and superscript represents the mass number of an element in the periodic table. This example is given in the textbook. Please refer it. Next. Question 5 was given that copper has an atomic number of 29 and an atomic mass of 63.55. How will you represent it? My dear students, for this answer, please write the symbol of copper as Cu, then left side subscript. That means at the bottom, write its mass number, and there is a superscript is the mass number and the subscript is the atomic number, right? Next, question number 6. How will you find out the valency of an element from the periodic table? Look up the valency of potassium, barium, lead from the periodic table. The group number represents the valency of the element. If the group number is 5, 6 or 7, then the valence is 3, 2, 1 respectively. I repeat this answer. The group number represents the valency of the element. If the group number is 1, 2, 4, then the valence of the element is 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. If the group number is 5, 6, 7, then the valence is 3 to 1 respectively. Next, question number 8. Seventh one, please write by yourself. Eighth one, what is variable valency? Explain with an example. Certain elements possess more than one valency. That is called variable valency. For example, iron has two valencies. They are 2 and 3. The lower one is ferrous and the higher one is ferric. And the last question, why are elements such as neon and argon unreactive or unactive? Elements like neon and argon are unreactive since they have stable electronic configuration. Thank you, dear students.